Hi, Ben with Ben Stout Construction. We're here at the YMCA on Fort Bragg Road. Everybody who is in Fayetteville has an idea of what's going on here and where it's at. We're excited to announce that we will actually be performing a lot of interior renovations inside the lobby area here as well as downstairs. And that's going to include all new drywall downstairs, some new casework, new lights, new acoustical ceilings, and most importantly kind of new flooring throughout all the downstairs leading to the pool area. So it's going to be a really neat project, kind of freshen, bring some life back into the YMCA. So if you haven't been here, come down and check it out. We're going to show you kind of the before photos of what we got going on inside, and then look forward as we begin construction and make headway, showing some ongoing stuff, and then of course the final product here at the YMCA on Fort Bragg Road. Excited for y'all to be able to check out our progress as we make it. Thank you. We're now inside the lobby at the YMCA, and this is where a lot of the majority of the work is going to get done. So behind us you'll see some of the older cabinets and some of the tops that need replacing. So we'll be replacing all that. We'll be replacing the floor covering, so I'll have some new floors, so we're excited about that. And then, like I said, just a lot of cosmetic upgrades. A lot of the block wall you see, which kind of has a cold feel to it, we're going to actually be putting new drywall up and then painting it, so I have a lot of live colors, a lot of richness to it. So between the wall coverings and the floor, it's going to really transform this area. Additionally, some of the older ceiling grid and popcorn texture is going to be going away. So we're excited. In the next few weeks, you'll see a big transformation. And again, look forward to showing that to you on the next video.